Automatic bottle unscrambler. Meteor production line's new MVP, the automatic bottle unscrambler. It sorts, orients, and fits bottles down. All shapes, sizes seamlessly, eliminating manual labor and bottlenecks. With precision engineering, it handles plastic, glass, or metal bottles at high speeds, ensuring consistent flow for filling, capping, or labeling. Compact design fits any workspace, while user-friendly controls make operation a breeze. Reduce errors, save time, and scale your output effortlessly. Elevate your packaging process. This unscrambler is the ultimate upgrade for smooth, efficient production.
HENGYUAN focus on efficient packaging machines.